I didn't know what Delizay look like.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
They're on it.
Cufflinks fam, so we've missed some days of Vlogmas. Been shooting, we have not had time to edit, we've been so busy. But this weekend should be a lot better. You know, Christmas weekend, and we've gotten most of what we need to get off the plate. So, running into Kingston today, doing some pickups, getting some stuff, because this weekend is gonna be crazy. The traffic on the road already is so crazy. How are you? Stay safe, and hope the traffic don't get the best of you.
Downstairs, Mom? That other bag is downstairs?
Yes, Mama, the cashier. Short, you know? Short, you know? May I go so? No, I didn't go so. I'm still asking you. Short, no? Bella isn't feeding well, and I come back and Brian lay down beside her, feeding her and rubbing her belly. Best big sister in the whole world, this man. Best daughters. Oh, Mama, I soon feel better.
Easy now?
Why are you scandaling me? Why don't you leave me alone? You don't see me working.
I say, anyway, she did look still in real life.
You just still love me. God would have placed it in your heart to love me just the same.
Thank you, Lord, for not placing it into my heart.
Well, you get it same way, don't you?
What inspired this? What she edges?
Well, here all in my mouth. You know them auntie from foreign who got foreign and get one nice wig or lack thereof. I learn how to do them eyebrow and don't have no edges, so them drawn some.
You look like a mug. I didn't know what Delizay look like. But yeah, for me, it does not.
I look like what
attract.
I look like.
It does not attract.
Well, thank God I don't attract you already.
Device, I made stop the video.
You need to go away and leave me alone.
She leave them. Yep.
So it's 2 days before Christmas, and my attention now is turning towards finished planning Christmas dinner. As you may have seen in other vlogs, in Vlogmas-ish, I love to write down things. So I have my notepad, Christmas dinner, so that I don't miss anything and that I've ensured that I have everything that I want to do. And what I normally do when I'm cooking Christmas dinner, because it's normally a lot of different things, I write down everything that I'm going to cook and in the order I'm going to cook it. when I'm going to cook it, when I'm going to prep it, because when I try to do everything at once without proper planning, I forget to do some of the things I want to do. So I don't want to do that this year. So on the menu is going to be quite a bit of seafood. I got some lobster. I'm gonna get some shrimp. I want to do some stuffed potatoes, something that I saw on TikTok. So I'm getting some inspiration from online. I'm gonna be doing ham. I was thinking about doing like shrimp chow mein, but if I'm going to do stuffed shrimp potatoes, I don't think I'm going to bother do the shrimp chow mein. I may just do the chow mein alone to be had as like a side dish, aside. So I think I'm gonna do that. Just the chow mein without any meat in it, or I may just put chicken in it. Yeah, I may just put chicken in it. I'm getting a seafood boil from my lovely people over at Blue Anchor Seafood. I'm going to be baking cornbread. I said ham already. I am going to be doing fish soup because my family loves my fish soup. So I'm going to be doing fish soup as well. I'm also going to be doing curry beef. And usually I do curry goat, but I cannot afford the curry goat. It's hard to get, number one, and when you get it, it's a little bit for only for thousands of dollars. I cannot afford it. When I cook curry beef, you don't know, say it's not goat. Yes, y'all should try that, curry beef. And of course, you have vegetables. I'm going to be doing baked mac and cheese topped with bacon. And I'm going to be doing a little bit of rice and gungo, because somebody may want rice, but I'm not a big rice eater. So that's why I'm making sure that I have a lot of sides, because I prefer to eat sides than to eat rice. So I will be showing you what I'll be doing for Christmas dinner, but right now I'm just writing down all the things that I need to get at the supermarket, because it's after 2 now and I want to go to the supermarket tonight. I don't want to go now because out there packed. So I want to go later tonight to ensure that I get everything I need, and I'm going to start dinner prepping tomorrow, which is Saturday, because I can't leave everything until Sunday, because we're going to go to church Sunday in the morning, and then we'll come back in the afternoon for Christmas dinner. And how blessed are we to get two Christmas days this year, Sunday and Monday, and then Boxing Day. So yeah, I'm wondering if we should do the Christmas dinner on Sunday, or do it on the Monday. No, we can't do it on the Monday because we have something to do on the Monday. So you can't do on the Monday, so you have to do on the Sunday. So that's what we're going to be doing. I just remember, so we have something to do. So all right, so I'll show you, I'll take you along for the journey for Christmas dinner prep and the actual cooking for Christmas and the Christmas Day. So I'll be showing you different parts of what we'll be doing over this weekend. And I'm going to be baking with the girls. I promised them that we would make chocolate chip cookies today, and then we'll make Christmas cookies tomorrow for Sunday. So I'll also be showing you bits and pieces of that as well. I am hungry, so I'm catching up my stomach with a little cup soup. No, I don't eat it a lot, but you know, everything in moderation, quick and easy. And I'm going to eat this, and then I need to comb the girls' hair because I washed their hair yesterday and I let it air dry, and then they fall asleep, and I need to comb those hairs today before they get too tangled. I have a detangler that I use. So that's on the agenda today. But right now I'm going to finish making the Christmas dinner list and all I need to buy. And yeah, I'll take you along at the supermarkets with me, because I hope things are left on the shelf, because you know where I go with Christmas dinner. So I'm going to eat my soup, and then I'm going to get started on what I need to do today. Oh, by the way, I have finished shooting all my sponsored promos for this year. Ooh. So happy. So I get to just do regular content, Basilia content for the rest of the year and the first week of the new year. Yes, taking a vacation, taking a break. So my last posts will be done today on Instagram as it relates to sponsored promotion. So I'm excited about that. Shot and edited it already, and I have a picture post to shoot. And then we're done for 2022. God has been amazing. But I tell you, God has been amazing. Thank you so much to all the brands who trusted me, with all the companies who trusted me with their brands. Thank you so much to all the companies who trusted me with their brands this year for promotions. And we're looking forward to an even more successful and wonderful 2023. So yeah, let me drink the soup and get started. Look at the camera down here. So we are on to outfit number 2, and my zip pop.
it.
So thank God it's not sterling night. So yeah, so the backstory to doing the outfit in this, doing the shoot in this outfit, is the fact that on sterling night we weren't able to take a picture together as a family because of producer duties and everything with Brian, so we weren't able to do a picture together. Brian was still in his Crocs, his jeans, and his white t-shirt.
Insert picture here.
Yeah. And so we decided that we needed to redo that.
After Brian spent so much money buying the suit.
Yeah, so we're gonna see his suit in this shoot. Baby.
Boss.
Big up Uncle Robert. It was coming handy. He popped the dress, and big up the seamstress who popped the dress and then fixed it.
Show your face.
Thank you.
Show your eye.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs.